Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange. So, how to install WhatsApp in Windows 10 PC or Windows 8? It is very simple and very easy. You need to go to this link which is in my description box. It is whatsapp.com and you need to click here to download the WhatsApp for PC. Just click download. Now the WhatsApp app is downloaded. Let's start install it. Just double click on this. Now the WhatsApp is installing in our PC. Now you can open WhatsApp in your mobile phone and click on the three dots on your right hand side corner. Then you can click WhatsApp web. Then you need to scan it, then it will come to your PC. Okay, I hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next one. Thank you. If you like it, give a thumbs up to my video and comment and subscribe please. Thanks for watching.